If you're facing the issue of printer not detecting the new ink cartridge, then you came to the right place. In this video, I'll show you some quick steps and tricks that will easily fix your issue. You can also request quick expert assistance and get real-time solution by calling the numbers displayed on the screen. So let's move on with the steps now and fix your cartridge issue real quick. Before we start the step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Ensure to insert the ink cartridge properly. Make sure to remove the protective tape from the cartridge properly. Place the ink cartridge into the printhead properly. Ensure that you're using cartridge of your printer brand. If you have placed the new cartridges properly but you're still getting the issue, then let's move on to the next method to reset your printer settings. Also, comment down your printer name if you want to get more solutions. Method 2. Reset your printer settings. First thing you need to do is remove the ink cartridges of your printer. Press the power button and wait until the printer is completely off. Remove the power plug from the back of your printer. Now, wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Attach the power plug back onto the printer. Turn on your printer and reset process will be complete. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.